Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a second Venmo account. First, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this is not the video for you. I cannot access Venmo at the moment. I'm outside the US. So how can we make a second Venmo account? First, let me make some things clear. You cannot make two Venmo accounts with the same number or same email address. I mean, two active Venmo accounts. You can, of course, create one. And as an example, maybe you want to delete it for any reason and create another one with the same number or email address. You'll be able to do that. But having two active accounts at the same time with the same phone number or the same email address, that is not possible. So how to make a second Venmo account? All you need to do, of course, is just go and create an account. I've already made a video on how to create an account. And of course, if you're trying, as we said, to use the same number or same email, you will not be able to do that. You will need to go and delete an account first. So if you want to see how to delete a Venmo account, as an example, we'll be able to show you here, because how to create an account, I've already made this. You can go and check it out. So how to delete an account, as an example, you'll be able, this is a bit Venmo business. So how to close my account or delete my account is going to be the same. So all you need to do, important notes on closing a Venmo account: transfer the money to the bank account or debit card if you have any there, send the money to another Venmo user if you have any, and return payments back to the sender. So how to close an account? Click on me. Settings gear, of course, you may find this in the bottom right. Settings gears, you'll find this at the top right. Click on accounts under preferences, click on close a Venmo account. And as an example, you should be good to go. If you have a personal Venmo account and a business profile, you can close one of them without closing the other. You can close your business profile without closing your personal profile if you want to. And yeah, that should be good to go. Of course, if you wish to close that, you'll need to contact them. I mean, the business profile. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.